The VersaBlade 6-way dozer blade is industry-leading, innovative design at its best. It starts at the core with a heavy-duty, industrial-strength mold board made of rolled steel instead of cast iron. The VersaBlade design is stronger yet lighter than the competition's more inexpensive cast iron blade. The stronger yet lighter design frees up more of your skid steer's horsepower to move dirt instead of pushing the cast iron. Not only is this innovative design lighter, it has a deeper moldboard radius or curve which throws more dirt, allowing the operator to move more dirt and take a deeper bite. The innovative design is rounded out with bolt-on front cutting edges that can be replaced or rotated as needed for extended life and lower maintenance. Optional wheel kit gives this blade the control of a road grader and adds to the blade's versatility. The easy grading, leveling wheel kit package eliminates unwanted blade hop and provides operator better blade control and adjustment for a more accurate and efficient job. Large, solid rubber tires prevent flat tire downtime and give increased maneuverability over rough terrain. Optional box end plates attach quickly and easily to move more dirt. The wheel kit goes on and off in less than 5 minutes for fast versatility. The wheel kit is a must for the serious grader or leveler. Heavy-duty industrial cylinders gives the VersaBlade its exact and responsive 6-way adjustment for complete operator control and perfect precision. Make no mistake, this is the best quality, most versatile blade on the market. If you're looking for a professional blade for professional results, check out the VersaBlade from Quick Attach.
A.M. Leonard, experience what thousands of other horticultural professionals already know. Great tools, great service, great value.